Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Alicia, and I am back with another unit featuring a brand that I absolutely love, My First Wig. So I'll be sure to link all of their information down below for you guys in case you are interested. These are a few things that came along with my unit. I am not sure if this is going to come along with every unit, but it did come with mine, okay? But anyways, this is a unit that they decided to send me. They wanted me to do something with some nice color, so they went ahead and sent me something perfect for the summer, which is their Highlight Biolage Lace Front Wig. This also features their no ball cap method. So if you are a beginner, you definitely can install this without any sweat. In this video, I'm going to be doing the no ball cap method, as well as in case you don't want to do what I'm doing, you can also use an elastic wig grip so the hair doesn't slip back, if that makes any sense, okay? But this is how the hair came directly out of the box. To me, my particular wig looks perfect. Of course, I know that a lot of you guys do not get exactly what YouTubers get, so definitely take this time to really examine your hair to make sure it looks like mine out of the box, okay? Now the hair, again, for me was perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and lay it. If you do feel like it has a smell, definitely wash the hair. But I'm just taking my wax stick and my hot comb and just pretty much laying the style that it already came in, just so that it just looks good. Now I'm just going ahead and just flat ironing the hair with my Babyliss titanium flat iron, and this is how the hair looks. As you guys can see, with those brown colors and that ombre effect, I think it's really cute. The length that I have my unit in is, I believe, a 20-inch, and it is a very silky yaki texture, so it feels almost like a silk press. So look at that hairline. This hairline is pre-plucked, and those knots are also bleached, and they do have their annual sale going on right now. So if you want the wig that I have here with all the bells and whistles, I did go to their website and I did see that you can actually pick up this particular unit for around $350. The original price is close to $500, so you're definitely going to be saving some coins, all right? But because I am not going to be installing this in a ball cap, I am going to install the elastic bands on the inside. Therefore, I don't have to actually use the ball cap method. I'm going to go ahead and get the hair on, and I'll be right back once I'm done. Okay, so the secret of installing your units without the ball cap would be to use a really good hairspray. So I personally take my Bedhead Hardhead hairspray. You can find it at Walgreens, Target. Yeah, I go ahead and I get the mini, and I just spray that on top of the lace, then apply a paper strip and blow dry it. As you guys can see, it is slightly blended in. Of course, you will get a more flawless meltdown if you did use a ball cap. However, the way that I do to fix it is to take a little bit of liquid foundation as well as some powder foundation and just apply a little on top of the lace. And if you're still not confident with the way that it looks, of course, install some baby hairs. I like baby hairs because people hate it, and so when they see it, they stare at the baby hairs but not the lace that's peeking through. So that's just a little thing that I just keep in mind. I personally don't like baby hairs on my natural hair. However, I always install it with my wigs because I'm never too confident with the lace, okay? So guys, after going ahead and laying the lace onto my hair, this is how it looks. So I am pleased with the way that it turned out, as well as I really like the color of this unit. I think that it's perfect for the summer. I wish that my camera would stop adjusting and turning light so you guys can truly see those browns, okay? It's full of browns, full of blacks and blondes. Is perfect, you know, for that sun-kissed look. Again, guys, the inches of my unit is a 20-inch. The density is 130%, and it does have their no bald cap lace front part, okay? So as you guys can see, I'm really loving this hair. Again, make sure you check out My First Wig's annual sale and let me know what you think of this, and I will catch you later.